India is a land of unity and diversity. Our country is like an encyclopedia of culture, tradition, values, language, festivals, heritage, togetherness, etc. It is the right destination for hospitality, rich culture, unique physiography, suitable climate, and much old civilizations. India is the second most populous country in the world with nearly 135 crore people. India has the world's largest human potential, but for the attainment of economic development, proper utilization of human resources are important.
Increased automation, better transportation, and improved standard of living have resulted in less active lifestyles and had increased obesity among Indian people. We are in a crisis of misleading our country from fit India to fat India. It is because we have forgotten our rich legacy of traditionally followed physical disciplines. Our ancestors are the pioneers in the physical discipline, whereby ancient Indian kings, queens, warriors, and sages were well trained in martial arts, archery, wrestling, weightlifting, chariot racing, swimming, which kept them fit and they were very active and productive towards their motherland. But do we reflect our rich history of physical discipline and fitness in our present life?
Our traditional sports and games like Kho, Pachisi, Chaduranga, Kabaddi, Jallikattu, ball badminton, Kridapattam, Malakambu are forgotten and we stopped praising their legacy. Instead, we find comfort in the westernized, fast-paced lifestyle which leads to physical ailments that in turn will lead to unhealthy human population which will reflect upon our country's growth. So we must understand that fitness is not destination but it is a way of life. To make our country fit, let's make our home fit.